Exercise 3.7 optional. First question. The ages of two friends Ani and Biju differ by 3 years. There are two friends. दो दोस्त हैं Ani and Biju. उनकी ages का difference 3 years का है. Ani's father Dharam is twice as old as Ani. Ani के पिता धर्म उस Ani की एज से डबल है. And Biju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. और जो बीजू है अपनी सिस्टर कैथी से ट्वाइस है. द एजेस ऑफ कैथी एंड धर्म डिफर बाय 30 ईयर्स. जबकि कैथी और धर्म की एजेस का डिफरेंस कितना है 30 ईयर्स. यू हैव टू फाइंड द एजेस ऑफ अनी एंड बीजू. इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी विल कंसीडर एजेस ऑफ अनी एंड बीजू. लेट एज ऑफ अनी is equal to x years. Age of Biju is equal to y years. Now what is given? Difference between ages of Ani and Biju is 3 years. यहां हमें गिवन नहीं है कि अनी बड़ा है या बीजू बड़ा है. नाउ फ्रॉम हियर टू केसेस अराइजेस. फर्स्ट इज इफ x minus y is equal to 3 because difference is 3, that it is equation number 1. And this case is when Ani is younger than Ani is elder than Biju. Second case, y minus x is equal to 3. Equation number second, when Biju is elder than Ani. Now in next line it is given that Ani's father Dharam is age of Dharam is equal to twice of 2 multiplied by age of Ani. Age of Dharam will be 2 into age of Ani is x, 2x years. In next line it is given that age of Biju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. Then age of Kathy is equal to age of Biju. Biju is twice of age of Kathy, means this age of Kathy is 1/2 of age of Biju. So age of Kathy is equal to 1/2 into y years. Now what is given that difference of ages of Kathy and Dharam is 30 years. Now in this case it is clear that age is elder than Kathy. So what is the age of Dharam? 2x, and age of Kathy y minus 2 is equal to 30. Now solving this equation we will get 4x minus y is equal to 60. That it is equation number 3rd. Now here are two cases. First is this and second case is this. We will take one by one these two equations and solve with third equation. Case first, Which one is first case? When Annie is elder than Biju. In this case, we will solve first and third equation. So, solving first and third equations. First is x minus y is equal to 3 and third is 4x minus y is equal to 16. From here, y having same coefficient, then we can use elimination method on subtracting minus plus minus. Minus y plus y cancel out. X minus 4x minus 3x. 3 plus 3 minus 60 minus 57 minus minus cancel out. X is equal to 57 divided by 3. X is equal to 19. So, we have to find the value of y now. Putting the value of x. Putting the value of x in equation first. Now, one important point. We can put value of x only in these two equations. Any of these two equations. X is 19 minus y is equal to 3 minus y is equal to 3 minus 19 minus y is equal to minus 16. So, y is equal to 16. So, in first case, age of Annie is equal to x. X means 19 years and age of Biju is equal to 16 years. This is our first case. Now solve for case second. Case second is when Biju is elder than Annie. When Biju is elder than Annie. Now in this case, we will solve second and third equation. Solving second and third equation. Second equation was minus x plus y is equal to 3 and third equation is 4x minus y is equal to 60. Now using elimination method on adding y, because y is having opposite sign and same coefficient, we can add minus x plus x. 3x is equal to 60 plus 3 63. X is equal to 63 divided by 3. X is equal to 21. Now we have to find the value of y. Putting the value of x. Value of x in equation. Now we have to put this equation in second or third. In equation second equation is minus x plus y is equal to 3 minus 21 plus y is equal to 3. From here we will get the value of y. So y is equal to 3. This minus 21 will become plus 21. Y is equal to 24. So age of Annie is equal to x. X means 21 years. Age of Biju means y means 24 years. Now in this case, in this question two cases are there and in both cases answer is different. This is your first question.